Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, wobble.
Alright guys, welcome to day 4 of our sourdough starter from scratch. As you can see, we got some nice activity today. So we're going to change it up. Now, instead of feeding it once and waiting every 24 hours, we're going to start feeding it every 12 hours. So in the morning, if you start at 9 a.m., you're going to feed it again at 9 p.m. And the formula is going to stay the same. So essentially what we're going to be feeding now on day 4 is we're going to be doing 75 grams of sourdough starter, 50 grams of rye flour, 50 grams of all-purpose, and 115 grams of water. And then we rest 12 hours and we repeat the process again later that day. So let's get into it. So I got up my new jar. Tear our scale. Great. Let's get our chopstick. And we're gonna take, and look how active that is that we're seeing now. That 4th day. Look at that web of stuff in there. That is good activity. So we're just gonna take that and we're gonna stir it up now. And we're gonna put 75 grams. All right, now we are going to be adding 50 grams of all-purpose flour. And we're going to be doing 50 grams of our rye flour. And finally, guys, we're going to add 115 grams of water. We're going to take that, we're going to stir it up. So let's transfer our rubber band and our label. After this morning feeding, when you move into your afternoon feeding, that sourdough starter mixture, you can start saving that for using for sourdough discard recipes. You no longer have to throw out that mixture, which is really great because you can use it for all sorts of things like focaccia, sourdough popovers, all sorts of really awesome recipes. So guys, just repeat this process again later at night. And that does it for day 4. I will see you guys on day 5. Do you think we should use sourdough starters?
Yeah, the wobble.